everyone, in this video we are going to introduce a Dice Coin Bank. It is a kind of secret boxes and it has beautiful Yosegi decorations on every side. It has a coin slot on top, so you can put coins from here. But where is the lid? To open this coin bank, you have to follow 2 steps. Step 1. Push this side up. Step 2. Slide the bottom part. And it opens. The inside is like this. When you close it, please follow the steps in the reversal order. It comes with a written instruction like this, so you can see how to open it whenever you need it. That wraps up today's video. We hope you enjoyed. If you want to try one of the secret boxes, please check out our store. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.